Hi friends, welcome to Novotel, Goa. This is how it looks from the balcony. It's beautiful, 3-story. This is the lift you come from, and right in front of the lift is my room, and this is the first time I'm going to be entering the room. So what you see is what I see for the first time. So you open the door with your card key, put your card key inside so that it's all lit up, and as soon as you enter, you have these two doors on the left and right hand side, which is quite dark, but I hope you are able to make out. So I'll take you to the washroom. The left hand side has the washroom. This is actually the flap of the door which is attached in the almirah, which acts as the door of the washroom. So this is how you enter the washroom. On the left hand side is the toilet area. You also have a phone, by the way, in the toilet. And this is the big mirror, sink, the vanity set, the dental set, the shaving kit, the shower cap, the body lotion, the hair dryer, and additional mirrors. You also have large towels and hand towels. And this is the Novotel standard shower gel, shampoo and conditioner, which you can also find in my Mumbai Darshan vlog, which I'll be linking in the description, so you can check that video also out. And the two showers, the hand shower and the one which is mounted on the wall. When you come out of the washroom, the right hand side also has a mirror and place where you can keep your things. And then you open one almirah. There is this safe which you can put your stuff in. The other almirah right next to the door on the right hand side has this iron table. Bathrobe, you can call for more bathrobe or additional bathrobe if you want, the additional places to keep your things. Then you come to the main room or the bedroom area. So, and yeah, this is the place where you can control the temperature and all. So this is how the bed looks like. And yeah, big TV mounted on the wall, and I'll also see the view from it. So I'll just open up the curtains, and this is what you see, all the palm and coconut trees. And you can also have a glimpse of the swimming pool right on the left. So the view is just pretty basic, but in Goa every view is a good view. This is a beautiful lamp. This is again the bed. And yeah, so the washroom is kind of a see-through thing, so you can see it from the bedroom. And this is the table, the chair, and electric kettle, and all the basic stuff that is given in the hotel room, additional space to keep your things. And there's also one mini bar. The bed looks gorgeous. It's a well lit room. So yeah friend, this is it. This is the room tour. And okay, the bottles and this dustbin, this electric kettle, everything standard is provided. Ample of space to keep your stuff. So this is it for the room tour, guys. So like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.